This tutorial is about creating and editing shapes in HydroSketch. As seen on the screen, I have all the shapes set up on the screen for illustration purposes. There are arrows pointing in different directions. There's rectangles, triangles, squares, ovals, diamond, and a circle. Each of these shapes can be found in the shapes icon in the toolbox. You just need to click on that and a scrollable palette of shapes will come up. From this scrollable palette, you can take any one of them, click on it with your mouse, and drag it onto the screen, into the canvas, wherever you like. Place it. I'll take the diamond out now, place that, and now it's part of your drawing. These shapes can be edited by clicking on the shape, and then you can either change the attributes that come up in the attribute menu, or you can grab the hot points on the object and shape the object, manipulate it in a certain position, and then click someplace else, and now you have that object edited. Shapes can also be moved. Click on a shape and then just drag it with the mouse into a position you like. Click anywhere else on the canvas and it stays in that position. Notice that rectangles will change their proportion. These shapes do not have any ports associated with them like some of the other component symbols do. The special shape here is the port shape, which is the small gray circle, and that can be edited in certain ways. It can be moved around. You cannot really change the size of it, but you can move it around into any desired location. Each of these arrows can also be scaled up, scaled down. Also, if you right click on any of the objects, you'll see there's a host of other capabilities such as duplicate, which is very handy, and now you have another shape of that same size. You also can take and group them. I'll talk about group in another, grouping objects in another video. You can delete, and by the way, you can also put one object on top of another. Now you can see the circle is behind the oval. If I double click on the circle will move its position to the top, laying on forward on top of the oval. And you can do that with multiple things. If I wanted the triangle to be on top of all the other ones, I just double click on those and it's on top. For more tutorials and related hydronics videos, subscribe to Hydronic Pro's YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button on the lower right hand corner of the screen. Thanks.